The crypto markets start October with a massive green candle sending Bitcoin above 28K, but will it hold? Polygon has a massive collaboration with Google Cloud and is Solana being short squeezed. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We've just shared our latest crypto holdings in Altcoin Buzz Alpha, and include some new gems and DCA opportunities. We've done very well in September, and October will be full of even more opportunities, starting with a big upcoming IDO. Don't miss out, check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link below. Bitcoin starts a new week, a new month, and a new quarter with a firm bullish move past 28K. In the run-up to the October 1st weekly close, Bitcoin had already cleared the end of the September monthly candle with little overall volatility. That all changed as the week ended with a sudden growth spurt taking Bitcoin price action to just shy of $28,000. In the hours that followed, it hit a new local high of $28,450. While Bitcoin gets excited into the first week of October, the same cannot be said for United States macro data, which is due for a calmer start to the month. The main event of the week has already occurred as lawmakers averted a government shutdown at the last minute. Ukraine aid formed a sticking point, with this being removed to strike a deal in Congress. Congress passed a 45-day funding bill, which funds the government through November 17th, but Bitcoin never shuts down. However, trader Skew flagged the potential for a come down using exchange order book trends as proof, saying, "Pretty wide order book here in terms of available resting liquidity. Bigger price reaction comes out of this in my opinion. Increasing asset liquidity on spot order books implies greater volume needed by spot takers to clear 28 to 29K. He added that the impetus to decide where the market headed now lays with spot traders. Keith Allen, co-founder of Monitoring Resource Material Indicators, posted a snapshot of the Binance order book showing $28,000 as a main hurdle to overcome just after the move. Bitcoin, he added, was now contending with resistance in the form of the 200-week moving average at 27,970. Bitcoin beginning October on a strong note puts it at odds with the scenes from last year. According to data from monitoring resource CoinGlass, Bitcoin has not finished October lower than it started since 2018. However, this was also the first year in 6 years that September finished green, so this year isn't following past year's trends too well. So while it is nice to see some green for the first time in a while on Bitcoin, I am cautious of a reversal on Bitcoin because so far it has just taken out all the stops at previous highs, which is usually the sign of market manipulation before a reversal. But make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel today, covering the next levels you need to watch out for on Bitcoin, as well as some altcoins you need to pay attention to. United States-based cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is expanding operations in Singapore after securing a major regulatory approval from the country's central bank. Coinbase has obtained a major payment institution MPI license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or the MAS. The new license, coming 1 year after Coinbase's initial in-principle approval in Singapore, enables the company to expand its digital payment token services to individuals and institutions in the country. According to the MAS, the MPI licensed firms are authorized to conduct payment services without being subject to transaction limits of 3 million Singapore dollars or 2.2 million US dollars for any payment service. The newly acquired license is not only a validation of Coinbase's operations, but also represents a responsibility to the growing crypto and Web3 community in Singapore. Coinbase has been actively developing products and services designed specifically for Singapore, launching Pay Now and Fast Bank transfers in March 2023. Coinbase has also integrated Singapore's digital identity service, SingPass, to simplify onboarding. Additionally, Coinbase has been collaborating with major local blockchain firms, including Nansen and Infura, to expand its products like Base Blockchain and Wallet as a Service. Singapore has naturally become a significant location for the industry, with Singapore home to over 700 Web3 companies, making it a pivotal market for the growth of the crypto and Web3 economy. Our partners at Wanchain have some big news. If you're just hearing about them for the first time, they're one of the best and cheapest blockchain bridges out there. As the OGs of the space, they were the first to coin the term blockchain bridge and develop a lot of fundamental tech. And now they've just bridged the third largest stablecoin, DAI, to Cardano. Bridging assets to and from Cardano is by no means a simple task, because their blockchain is totally different from EVM. For example, it uses different smart contract environments, programming languages, transaction models, and signature schemes, among others. That's why it took Wanchain more than a year to develop this sophisticated technology. As a direct result of this hard work, they are currently the only decentralized bridge to Cardano. DAI will now join USDC and USDT that you can bridge to Cardano by using Wanchain. Some of the new routes that are now available include Arbitrum to Cardano, Arbitrum to Wanchain, Ethereum to Cardano, Ethereum to Wanchain, Optimism to Cardano, and Optimism to Wanchain. Their second big achievement is that you can now move native to native ETH to BNB chain using Xflow's bridging technology. The biggest benefit this technology brings is that once you bridge your asset, you can get the native ETH on the destination chain. So no more third-party risk of having wrapped assets and relying on the solvency of the particular centralized issuer. FTX's SO BTC that tanked is still a fresh example of the risk of wrapped assets. Wanchain's Xflows technology offers a decentralized solution, giving you the native asset on the destination chain and thus peace of mind. If you want to find out more on how Xflows tech works, just check out our 2-minute video linked down below. You can also bookmark Wanchain Bridge and give it a try the next time you're moving assets in between chains. In our opinion, it's one of the cheapest and safest bridges out there. More on this in the description below. Polygon Labs announced on September 29th that it's added Google Cloud to the decentralized group of validators powering its proof-of-stake network. Polygon said in a statement that Google Cloud is now among more than 100 validators who secure the Polygon proof-of-stake network. Polygon noted that the infrastructure that powers YouTube and Gmail now powers Polygon proof-of-stake. It also called Google Cloud a high-quality, trusted, and security-minded validator and said that it adds additional security to the network. The project also linked to a dashboard page indicating that Google Cloud has staked as much as 10,451 MATIC. Though Google Cloud is more recognizable than any of Polygon's other validators, it is nevertheless one of the validators with the lowest amount of MATIC staked. Polygon and Google Cloud initially began their partnership in April, and at the time, both companies said the multi-year partnership would involve numerous goals. The partnership terms indicated that Google Cloud would contribute cloud services to Polygon's zk EVM scaling solution, as well as provide a managed Polygon node hosting service to Google Cloud users and support Polygon's decentralized app chain. The deal also included $200,000 of funding in Google Cloud credits for Polygon-backed startups. Solana's total value locked has surged to a new 2023 high of $338 million today, sparking speculation within the crypto community about the reason behind why this might be the case. On October 2nd, Solana's TVL experienced a 24-hour increase of around 4.15%, surging from $324 million to $338 million. Now, what I personally think happened is Solana went on to have insane returns yesterday as the whole market pushed higher. I think what happened specifically with Solana is that people were still shorting Solana with the anticipation of the sell-off, and because of that, it was very easy to squeeze them and push the price way higher. I know this because yesterday in a single 5-minute candle, Solana went up 10% with a massive wick, which is when people get liquidated. And looking at the liquidation charts, we can see a huge spike in people getting liquidated and open interest dropping as people have to close their shorts, which is buying back Solana at a higher price, pushing it up. Where Solana will go from here, I'm not sure, but I do think that the FTX liquidators would want Solana's price to be much higher than $20 to sell off millions of dollars worth of it. All that to say, I do like Solana as a coin for the next bull run to buy, but I'm not sure if I'd be buying yet with this huge liquidation looming overhead. Sui is a decentralized layer 1 blockchain that uses a specific type of proof-of-stake consensus named delegated proof-of-stake. Sui is also a unique blockchain using the Move programming language and parallel transaction execution, which allows it to process transactions much faster than its competitors. The Sui token is also having a token unlock later today, worth just about $17 million. Currently, there's only 8% unlocked, which means there's a very low circulating supply. And later today, an additional 4% will be unlocked, which is a huge amount relative to what's available. So I see this as a chance for Sui to sell off, especially after the market-wide pump yesterday, and early investors will be itching to sell at much higher prices, so be careful. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.